In this Business Tech Planet video, we're sharing a useful tip for saving chat messages in the new Microsoft Teams. First, we're introducing the new Business Tech Planet newsletter, where you can find the latest Microsoft news and updates. Get access to our free Microsoft Teams ebook. And always have the chance to win our monthly tech prizes. Just hit the link, and get your free copy of the Master Microsoft Teams ebook. In classic Teams, you could save or bookmark important chat messages. But if you're using the new version, you'll notice that option no longer exists. You can still pin important messages, but pinning is limited to one message at a time. To solve this issue, click Copy Link instead. Now head up and click the plus icon to add a new tab. Select OneNote. Create a new notebook, and name it something like Saved Messages. Then head down and click Save. Enter the name of the person you're chatting with as the page title. Then paste the message link into the page body. Now, when you click the link, you'll be taken directly to the message. This method works well if links are set to open in Teams. But if you need links to open in the browser, you can still use OneNote to save important messages. Let's head to Settings. Then Files and Links. Here we can select whether to open links in Teams or in the browser. We'll select Browser. Now, when we head back to the saved messages and click the link again, the browser will pop up. We just need to click Launch It Now in the browser, and we'll be taken directly to the saved message. If you want to add the Saved Messages tab to a different chat, start by clicking the plus icon again and selecting OneNote. Select the saved message notebook, then click Save at the bottom. This time, when OneNote opens, click the library icon in the left menu. While we're here, let's right-click the section and rename it. Call the section Team Members or something similar. Then hit OK. Now click Add Page at the bottom, so we have a separate page for each team member. Then use the name of the person you're chatting with as the page title. That's it. Now you're ready to add new message links. That's all for this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And for important Microsoft news and updates, and a chance to win prizes, be sure to hit the link in the description, and join our newsletter today.